Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Me Maryam Sheikh. The Foreign Ministry said in the statement that the Sultanate of Oman welcomed the overwhelming majority vote of the member of the United Nations General Assembly on a resolution supporting Palestine's right to obtain full membership in the United Nations. The ministry underscored the potentially transformative impact of the global majority's appeal to the Society Council of recognize the state of Palestine. This is the practical path that will pave the way of the two-state solution and the establishment of a just peace in accordance with the resolution of international legitimacy. वजारत ख़ारिजा ने एक बयान में कहा है कि सल्तनत ओमान ने अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा में मुकम्मल रुकनियत हासिल करने के लिए फ़लस्तीन के हक़ की हिमायत करने वाले